Alright, so you're going to remote desktop into Velocity 01 or Velocity 02, and then you're going to open up Failover Cluster Manager so you can tell which node this thing's actually running on. Over here on the left hand side, you're going to hit the caret and then go to roles. Right here is going to tell you which owner owns that node, which means that's where SQL is actually running. So if you're on the one that's going to need to be rebooted, you can stay here, you can remote into the other one. But to gracefully transfer this over to Velocity 01, you're going to right click on that node while you're in roles. You're going to hit move and select node. You're going to click on Velocity 01 and hit OK. At that point, you'll start seeing the services shut down and it'll start coming back up under the node 1. That's a graceful transfer. Once that's done, you can reboot this server. I usually wait at least 5 minutes. That way everything's gracefully changed back over. Everything's up and running. So if I have to fail it back over for some reason, I'm able to do it. I'm gonna hit cancel out right here. To check after you fail the nodes over, you want to go to resources. This will tell you, you'll start seeing, it's down on the bottom down here.
Okay.
It says resources. This is all the services. So this is what's controlling the services. Right after you hit the move node, you'll start seeing these saying shut down, shut down, shut down, shut down. So it's shutting them down on the old server, and then you'll start seeing them go online. Once you get all these online, you're going to want to test the command set services and the CCTV service to make sure that they failed back over, or that they came back up gracefully. I have a test relay in arrow term. Under expansion relays, there's an arrow term camera call test and a command set service test. If you right click on that and just hit trigger, this will trigger the command set services. You should see control granted SQL and then a CCTV portion.
Yep.
On the CCTV, you can remote into 10.19.23.51. It should have a screen up there, and when you do that, it should populate that screen to something different. If that doesn't work, then you need to probably reset the services on both of those machines. So the final step on this is if it's been running for a couple of months, you need to move over the archives from the server that it's currently running on to the other server. And to do that, you're going to go into this PC, the D drive. Oh, sorry, I'm back in my normal desktop. You're going to go to the server. We can close out of this at this point because we're done with that. That's still not MSTSE. So you're going to go to the server that it was running on, which currently it's on Velocity 02. We're going to close out of this. We're going to open up File Explorer, go to the E drive, Program Files, Microsoft SQL Server, MSSQ15, MSSQ, and then Data. So in here you have all your Velocity archives. So you're going to want to match the last few months and make sure that they're in there. When you do copy them over, you need to copy them from here to nothing on the C drive in Program Files. I have a temp folder here that I usually put it in. Usually paste it in here and then go to the other server and whack into it. So backslash Velocity 01 /E $, and then go put it back in the same directory you took it out of.
Okay, which files do you copy?
It is the archive. So we'll go back to E, Program Files, Microsoft SQL, MSSQL, Data, anything that says archive right here.
Okay.
So you can read the date by looking at 01 is the month, 09 is the day, 2021 is the year. So if you go down, this is what, February, so January should have been the last time that it did one. So I'm going to sort it by name so that it's so 01 28 2024 2025. So you can see last time it did it was 28, so this matches that. You can actually go here, copy this, and then do the // Velocity 01 / Control V. Nope. I have to do quotes in front of it. We'll just do it the hard way.
Favorite.
So now we'll check on this one. So program files, Microsoft, data, sort by name. And right here you can see 0109/2011. We're looking for 01/28/2024, 2025. So you can see those match. If it didn't have those in there, you would need to copy them over in order for them to run reports.
Okay, gotcha.
So otherwise the reports will show that there's missing those months that Velocity 01 was running as the active node, and it'll go, hey, we're missing some stuff, and that's what you do is you copy the two files over to the other server, and then it can run the reports.
That's it?
That's it.